Yo, welcome back to Just Give Her Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the Jeep JK starter. So this Jeep JK has got about 380k, and I'm pretty sure that it is the stock starter. So hey, that's a lot of starts. Gotta love the good old 2010 Jeep JK. You gotta make sure you disconnect your battery before you get started. You don't want to get shocked or short anything out, so let's go underneath the Jeep. So what are you using, Jimmy?
16
stubby?
Yeah.
There's
one on the bottom here, the long one. There's a short one on the top. The long one holds this cover on here. What's left of the cover. I don't know if the socket wasn't long enough to get on it. I don't know if I can get a good shot. Great.
What's going on down there, Zoe? The starter coming out, or
That's the top one.
No, not yet.
One's a 16. Top one's a 15. Okay, hold on. Alright, so on the back of the starter here, I don't know if you can see it, there's one little clip that goes right here. I just took that off. That's that guy. And then your positive wire, which I'm taking off right now.
It's out. Stock starter. Boom.
It is factory.
Nice.
Chrysler starter.
Did pretty good, that's for sure.
Yeah, it did. 380 something thousand kilometers on her.
Nice.
I think that's pretty damn good.
Yeah, it is.
Tight?
Yep. Tight enough.
Tight.
Are you putting that thing back on?
Yeah.
All right, so the new starter is installed, looking good. Now Jimmy's just gonna put this heat wrap shield thing back on. Hopefully. So we'll see you back up top when we see if she starts. All right, let's connect the battery. It's already connected. Good to go. All right, let's fire it up. What do you guys think? Think it's gonna fire?
Yeah, I think it fucking better.
Yeah! It's alive! Well, that's how you install a starter. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.